Jetzt habt ihr die Scheiße am Arsch. Die haben jetzt hier lose Alarm bei mir ausgerufen wegen Mitbrand und so weiter. Ihr glaubt doch nicht, dass ihr damit davon kommt. So, ich komm zum Mann, ich bin mir nicht an die Scheiße aus. Und dann soll ich kommen, ich scheiße, sorry. Ich schau mal,
Introducing first,
dass der nie wieder auf
from
den Weiß
Germany,
nicht
weighing in at 387 pounds, World Wrestling.
Was, du kennst AP-Video nicht, der ist voll fair auf Twitch. Was, du kennst AP-Video nicht, der ist voll fair auf Twitch. Was, du kennst AP-Video nicht, der ist voll fair auf Twitch. Was, du kennst AP-Video nicht, der ist voll fair auf Twitch. Was, du kennst AP-Video.
Dinger des Zeit vorgekommen mit seinem Auto voll in die Aula gebrettert, das wird so nice.
Das sieht echt nicht mehr lustig aus. Es nervt einfach nur noch. Das nervt richtig.
Ich sag euch eins, Jungs, und ich meine das jetzt bei meiner Ehre, ich habe Durchfall. Und dann hau ich euch so einen aufs Maul dafür. Ich werde mich darauf vorbereiten, vor Weihnachten einen Filmist zu kreieren, der euch dann verfluchen wird. Haben wir uns da verstanden? Und ich werde diesen Filmist auch wirklich wahr aufbauen. Das Lustige ist, ihr werdet nicht mal wissen, dass ihr verflucht seid. Das Leben wird euch dann einfach scheiße ins Toilettengeschäft werfen. Und ihr werdet niemals davon ausgehen, dass es verflucht ist. Aber letzten Endes werdet ihr euch immer in eurem Leben ab dem Zeitpunkt...
It's go time, fellas.
A big-time title defense here, and this crowd knows it. They're coming unglued right now.
And listen to the crowd here in Iraq. Show their appreciation for the superstars in the ring. What a special moment. He gets him with the overhand punch. Let's talk briefly about Fox. Tell us, what do you think we can anticipate seeing from him in this one?
Definitely looks fired up for this amazing opportunity. Sometimes a match of this magnitude can cause a competitor to freeze up or panic, but I'm not seeing that here tonight.
Truly spectacular. Just making his presence felt there. And now it's Violet on his heels. The Tornado Tag Team atmosphere appears to be getting the best of him here.
The good news for him is that he doesn't appear to have taken too much offense up to this point, but that can obviously all change here.
Now there's the counter. Now Fox might be in some trouble here. So many variables for him to take into account here in this Tornado Tag match.
This one could very easily go either way at this point, guys, but win or lose, he's the type of guy that will be proud of his performance regardless.
Didn't see that takedown coming. Look out. De-stalling some here. Momentum is clearly not on his side here in this Tornado Tag Team match.
But if you're counting him out now, you haven't been paying attention. He has more resolve than just about anybody on the roster.
No, there's the reversal. A clubbing clothesline. Appears as though Violet is starting to fade. You have to wonder how much more he has to give here in this Tornado Tag Team match.
He's incredibly proud of what he's been able to accomplish in his career, and rightfully so. But if he wants to pull away here, he's going to have to mount a sustained offense soon.
Maneuvers like that require special type of skills. Got him with the elbow drop. Got him good with the elbow there. The axe handle hits the mark. Nothing fancy from him there. That was all raw power. Connects with a knee drop. Oh, and it's a reversal. Violet looking completely overwhelmed. He's dangerously close to losing this match for his team. Shoulders down, is it enough? This guy's a competitor. He's not going down yet.
He's got some more fight in him, guys.
There's the leg lock. This could be big. Going for the double play with this move. He kicks him right in the gut. Nowhere to go for D. This might be the end of the line for him here in this Tornado Tag Team match.
But hey, when you have as much pride and character as he has, good things tend to happen to you.
And he hits the knee lift. Wow, missed by a mile.
Had that one well scouted. Ain't no stopping him now. He is a one-man gang in there.
He's showing absolutely no pity now, guys. He's targeting the midsection here. He's looking at it. Hey, there's no recovering from that.
That has got to be it. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Here we go. Oh, he's an emphatic finisher.
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
That'll readjust your spine. He might have it. He's just so quick.
This one is over.
Will he be victorious? 1, 2.
A competitor has
Missed
been
by a large
eliminated.
margin on that one. Wow.
He's better than that.
Things are not looking very good right now. Gonna have to find a way to regroup. And there's another elbow drop. He's simply reminding him that he's here. He's delivering an old-fashioned butt kicking right here. Twice as nice. Abuses him with an elbow. And there's an extremely destructive strike. Here he goes. He comes up big there. That should do it. A punishing strike.
That might just be the final nail in the coffin.
There's the cover. Can he do it?
Jetzt hat er die Scheiße am Arsch.
A competitor has been eliminated.
Und so weiter. Wir glauben nicht, dass ihr damit davon kommt. So, ich komm zum Mond, legt euch mit mir an, ich prügel die Scheiße aus euch raus. Dann soll er kommen, ich schlag ihm, soll ich schmeißen, soll ich prügeln.
Here are your winners and the new World Wrestling Tag Team Champions, the Dragon, Lord, and AP Violet.
And that's a nice win for these two here tonight.
They make it look so effortless in there. What an amazing duo.
Well, that was indeed a great match. And I think it's worth